Look how easy this recipe is. I start by getting 500 grams of ground beef and splitting it into each mold of this muffin tray. Then I add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, some black pepper, 1 pinch of salt, garlic powder. Add cheese. Cheese is never enough, right? Now add some chives. To make it even tastier, add pieces of bacon. Finally, take the muffin tray to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. It's now ready. Look how delicious it is. By the way, don't forget to follow me, and I'll be waiting for you in the next recipe.